Okay, so this is a video on the original trick I made called the Blackjack. So here it is. Okay, so what you want to do is first you want to grab the safe handle. That's the one without the latch, right? And you want to throw the bite handle over your knuckles, and then you're going to move your index finger over the other side of the safe handle where the back of the blade will hit it, and you want to roll it over your finger just like that, your index finger. So just roll it over your finger after throwing the bite handle over your knuckles, and that'll leave it to where the bite handle will swing around your thumb. So you want to roll it around your thumb just like that. You'll notice that the blade, it will be pointing your fingers, so you just do a wrist pass. So I'll show that to you again. Over the knuckles, index roll, thumb roll, wrist pass. So you can also do this trick from the reverse grip. So that's just back over the index finger like that, over the thumb, and then a wrist pass, and that'll bring you up to the forward grip. And that's the trick again from the forward grip for the closed, and then that's the grip from the reverse grip, which I did it where the blade would be touching my fingers, but it's a trainer, so don't get cut. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed.